Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak jelly in Cookie Run Kingdom. First, you'll need to gather your primary ingredient, sugar cubes. Head over to the sugar quarry in your kingdom and start collecting. Remember, you'll need a good supply to craft multiple jellies. Also, make sure you have enough empty jelly molds ready for the next steps in the process. Once you have your raw sugar cubes, the next step is to refine them. You'll need a sugar mill for this. If you don't have one, build it and ensure it's upgraded to at least level 2. Place your raw sugar cubes into the mill to transform them into fine sugar. Each fine sugar unit requires 3 raw sugar cubes, so plan your collection accordingly. With your fine sugar ready, it's time to head to the jelly lab. This is where the magic happens. Open the lab and browse through the available recipes until you find steak jelly. Select it, and the game will show you any additional ingredients needed. Combine the fine sugar with these other items to begin the crafting process for your delicious steak jelly. Now that you've successfully crafted steak jelly, what can you do with it? Steak jelly is incredibly versatile. You can use it to upgrade the skills of certain cookies, giving them a powerful boost in battles. It's also a vital ingredient in various other crafting recipes within your kingdom. Plus, if you have an excess, you can sell each one for 150 coins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.